you can basically have create specialist GPTs that help you do just about anything. But the thing is, it needs to have the reference. It needs to have the knowledge base, like really needs to have really good training that has been done, and all the content for that training uploaded, and then also the content of any coaching calls that go over what you want the GPT to specialize in, so that it has the right context, it can model the similar style, etc. And then once you dial that in, then you can share that with your team. So right now, one of our top earner students, she's a seven-figure earner, and she just recently rolled out a GPT for her team that basically is broad, that basically is there to help answer and support the team members with the most basic questions and even some more advanced questions. And so right now it's not perfect, but remember what I said earlier in the call. In about 3 years, it actually, I think, will probably be more than perfect. And more than perfect means it'll be better than even your upline answering the question, because again, GPT doesn't have a bad day. It's always consistent in what it's referencing. It doesn't get frustrated, et cetera, et cetera. So that's where it's headed. So that's the reason you want to learn some of this stuff right now. And I truly believe that we're going to be the last generation, like the people living here today. If you learn skills on how to do attraction marketing, how to talk to prospects, how to convert prospects, how to create social media content for different platforms, if you learn how to develop automation to generate prospects or attract prospects to you, if you learn all those things right now, you're going to be the last generation that actually has the ability to evaluate whether what AI is producing for us is any good. Because the future generation is going to be so dependent on AI, they're not going to know the difference. And that's going to be your competitive advantage. Here at Attraction Marketing, when we coach our students, we want to make sure that not only are we providing them with AI tools that we recommend they use and how to, instructions and training on how to do that, but we're also providing them the skills that would give them the ability to do the work and be successful online with network marketing as if ChatGPT didn't exist. Because when a student has that ability, they actually become better at using AI, because then they can spot the BS. Then they can see where what AI is doing, it's not working, versus taking at face value whatever AI gives you. And that's going to be extremely valuable. So this is the time where you want to learn the skills. If you're thinking that AI is going to help me not have to learn all these things, then you're going about it the wrong way, and you're not going to be successful. And AI essentially will replace anything you can do. You want to be able to learn the skills that then we'll be basically asking AI to do, so that you can be the engineer or the prompt engineer or the manager that is evaluating. And that's going to make you extremely valuable in the business world, in network marketing, et cetera. So that's where I think we're at right now, is we're basically going to be the last generation that actually has skills that don't need AI to do our job. But when we combine our innate skills with AI, then it helps us become more efficient. We can spot the BS. We can give feedback to AI to tell it, hey, that's not quite what I'm looking for. Here's what I'm looking for instead. When you have that ability, you can create some magic. And especially when it comes to creating these team support systems with GPTs, excited for what the future holds. Like, I literally can't wait to see what happens in 2029. So that's it, guys. Hopefully you found this valuable, and we will talk soon. Take care.